Looky, looky. The Dodge Demon. Look. Wow. It's a 2018 with 6,000 miles only. This is a bad boy, that Demon. Oh, what they got in the back over there. Oh, it's a roll bar that folds down or something. Wow, right? Look at these wheels. They got like slicks on there. Wow. Got like street slicks. These front tires. That's so cool. Look, I'm in my favorite spot. Look at that truck for sale. Look at that monster. Man, that thing's bad. When I come down here to Wesley Chapel, I gotta look at my favorite cars. They got another Hellcat, I'm pretty sure, inside there. Go walk around, check it out. Let's go down the cool side. Oh, look at this. Look at this. I bet you that's a Shelby Tribute right here. Yeah, it's got the Shelby on the dash. Look at that bad boy. I think this is a 66 or 68. This is a 351 4-speed 67. Close. Nice car. Wow. What it's got? Oh, look at this old Torino. Wow. What it's got? Look how big this truck is. I don't even come up to the to the window. What do we got here? Ferrari. Oh yeah, look at this RT bad boy right here. What year is this? Like a 70? 71, close. 71. Got a purple one over here. 2 purple ones. Wow, you can get 2 for the price of 1 right there. What else got? Little Bel Air. Some WS6. I love rocking around over here. Uh-oh, what is this? 67? Gonna guess it's a 67. 66. Man, I am off by 1 number every time. I can't see the tail lights. Oh, there's another one right here. Nice. Nice, nice. Oh, is this a 68? I'm guessing a 68. Oh my God, I'm finally correct. 68. If it was a 4-speed, I might consider buying it, even though it's blue and it has Krager-like style wheels, but not quite. What else got? Uh-oh. The turbo. It's the Regal, right? It's not the Grand National, so it's got to be a Regal. 84 Regal. Oh, you remember those seats? The velour. Ooh, plushy plushes. Oh, nice. I wouldn't mind one of these T-buckets. 23 T-bucket. What you got in there? A little 327 in there? Doesn't say. Automatic. They're all automatic. Oh, got a little trailer to go along with it. They're always automatic. I don't know why. Whoa, look at this. Look at this cool little Lord bus. Wow, that's cool, right? Oh, this is my color right here. Look at that little Ford. Wow, Ford Coupe, man. Look how cool that is. 3-speed on the floor. What do they got? 68 Firebird. 68 Firebird. Ooh. Oh, an RS SS. Wonder if it's real or not. It's got the SS hood, tribute, fake tribute, always a tribute. Nobody got the real deal, but it's a 4-speed. Let's see what kind of motor they got in here. Does it say? 18 inch, 12 volt rear end. Really? 396, big block, same as mine. Oh, it's a fun car. Yeah. Wonder what's the price? 62,000. Not bad. 62,000. Let me look at the paint. Oh, I see some flaws in the paint. Not too good paint. Gotta repaint this car black. Oh, Bumblebee. You want a Bumblebee? Anybody want a Bumblebee? 2010. Usually got low miles. 50,000 miles. 6-speed. I drive this. This the SS with the 400 horsepower. Hey, that's an automatic. They lie. They can't even get it right. Killing me. They got all the buses over there in the corner. Oh, look at that. Got the intake coming out the hood. They cut the hood. What do we got? All the older Mustangs. 84, 85, 86. Ooh. Ooh. That's the old one right there. That's the high school special. I remember these from the 80s in the high school right here. What is this? 83 to 85 or something like that. What do I got here? 83. I'm pretty good, man. I'm pretty good. Gotta admit. That's why I like walking around these cars. I know all about them. Oh, Bog. That's a 70 something. Not worth nothing. Oldsmobile. I not worth nothing. Jesus, who's collecting Oldsmobiles? T-Bird. T-Bird. Viper. You get a Viper V10. 500 horsepower. They used to hold a value, used to always be up 100 grand. Now look cheap, 50 grand for a 98 with 25,000 miles. 50 grand, man. See, you can get a new Miata or you can get a 98 Viper for the same price. What would you rather have? Uh-oh, orange Camaro. I bet it doesn't have a split bumper on here. What is it? 72? 73. Darn close. Oh, it says split bumper. Nice. Nice split bumper. SS. Oh, nice Charger over there. Look at this car. How cool is that? Mr. Miyagi style right there. Huh? Daniel-san. Look at that freaky, almost bug-like. Looks like a bug, but it's not a bug. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I see two Shelbys. Shelby GT or monster jacked up Shelby truck right there. Which one you rather have? I rather have the black truck with the nice wheels, jacked up. I think the Shelby got 700 horsepower. Ooh, bad boy. Or you can look how wide this is. Holy smokes! This doesn't look wide on the video, but this sucker's beautiful. Please say it has a 427, 545 stroker. Even bigger. Wow. You're gonna get a replica Cobra. Get one with monster wheel. Look at this wheel. All right, I'm out. Back on the motorcycle. Here we go. Time to go brapping. Right after you see Mega Rex. Look at Mega Rex, dude. No amount of video. Look how wide the fenders are. That thing is made to go jumping. All right, time to go brap. See you on the next adventure.